Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the opportunity. Now I'm acting as a prime minister from the government team. With the motion today, is this House believes that the practice of meme investing brings more harm than good. Ladies and gentlemen, as a government team, we agree with this motion today. Ladies and gentlemen, we believe that there is no place of motion itself in your investment decision-making process, business or economic or any kind of economic itself, or the investment itself needs logic and calculation, not only because of something's visualization in your platform and your social media platform, for example, in general, in or momentary emotion to buying and sell some stock, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see what is the meme investing itself, ladies and gentlemen. We can say that the meme investing itself, ladies and gentlemen, is something short selling stocks, ladies and gentlemen. Normally, when you buy a stock, you hope that its share price will climb. When you short a stock, your bank on the opposite that its share price will decline. An investor who shorts a stock will borrow shares and return them later. If the share price drops, shares can be purchased and returned for less money. So the investor who shorts them can make a profit, ladies and gentlemen. But if their price goes up, that some investor is out of luck because now he or she has to pay more to cover those shares, ladies and gentlemen. That's what happened in this current status quo with GameStop and Nokia and BlackBerry, so on and so forth, ladies and gentlemen. When Reddit users got together to start buying GameStop shares and driving the price upward, it created a short squeeze, ladies and gentlemen. Where investors who had shorted to the stock had to scramble to close out their position as quickly as possible, ladies and gentlemen. So what I want to say is, ladies and gentlemen, that investment itself, ladies and gentlemen, even you are coming from the economic background, you are still it cannot guarantee you to be a good investor, to be a healthy investor inside the investment itself, ladies and gentlemen. So it is very crucial if you using the meme investings in this current status quo with your emotion at the very first place, because it will lead you at the end of the day and get a lot of disadvantages, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see in this current status quo, in this current status quo, it's more affect our young generation, for example, ladies and gentlemen, or Gen Z, for example. So our mechanism is giving our young generation or Gen Z itself financial knowledge through the socializations, workshop, and so on and so forth in early age, for example, ladies and gentlemen, so that they not think they are not easier to get into it, ladies and gentlemen, to attract with the visualizations on the social media, on their social media, ladies and gentlemen. In this case, it's meme investing itself, ladies and gentlemen, because investment itself, like I said before, ladies and gentlemen, needs a logic and calculation, ladies and gentlemen, and need a process, step by step, ladies and gentlemen. Not instantly you get a big money, ladies and gentlemen. Let's move into my point of argument, ladies and gentlemen. The first one, why the meme investing brings more harm than good, ladies and gentlemen. Remember that it is in our social media, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot guarantee that there is also a lot of cybercrime in social media, ladies and gentlemen. We can guarantee that there's some kind of against your people, ladies and gentlemen, visualize the stock itself with kind of a good meme or popularity, ladies and gentlemen. So that the people will invest in their stock, for example, ladies and gentlemen. It is very fatal when this kind of people cannot be overcome at the very first place, ladies and gentlemen. Cannot be solved. This kind of problem cannot be solved. So it is very harm for the people, for the young people who using their money to invest in their stock, for example, ladies and gentlemen. The second one, why emotion itself is the enemy of investing, ladies and gentlemen. The three primary emotions negatively impact your returns, ladies and gentlemen. Fear, greed, and frustration itself, ladies and gentlemen. Fear, greed, and frustration itself, ladies and gentlemen, always happening in our investment itself, ladies and gentlemen. The financial analytics firm found that the financial analytics in 2018, ladies and gentlemen, found that the average individual investor lost more than double at 9.42% stock. They lost money because they did panic short, ladies and gentlemen. because they are fear about the market itself. They are just see the momentary situations inside the market itself, ladies and gentlemen, with their emotion. What they see, they will react by their emotion, ladies and gentlemen. They fear, their greed and frustration of the market itself. So they want. They do not want to lose the market, so there is no calculation and logical thinking about the economic circle itself, or the investment itself, good healthy investment itself, ladies and gentlemen. This fear that time puts many middle class workers out of stock entirely, ladies and gentlemen. But on the other hand, there is an educated one who already facing up and down inside the investment itself, ladies and gentlemen, continue participating in the stock market, ladies and gentlemen. They think differently about the money, and they leave their money invested in long term rather than panic selling just in the short term, ladies and gentlemen. Because we again that investment is investment to get the money itself, ladies and gentlemen. In investment, you need a process, you need a calculation, you need a logic, you need you need a time to gain a big amount of the money itself, ladies and gentlemen. It's not easily it's not based on what you see on your social media, on your phone, just because a lot of people invest in that stock, for example, and become popular inside the social media itself, ladies and gentlemen. It is also the second one. Let's move in my second argument, ladies and gentlemen. It is giving the bad behavior for our young generation, ladies and gentlemen. Not everything instantly is good for you, ladies and gentlemen, especially making money in a big amount. So when this kind of meme investment, ladies and gentlemen, occur in our current status quo, it is you know that it is something like instantly you make money, ladies and gentlemen. But life is not that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Life needs a struggle. Life needs a calculation. Life needs ups and downs. When you are making something, when you are becoming a success person, for example, ladies and gentlemen, so it is very crucial for you to also have a healthy investment with a lot of process, with a step by step, ladies and gentlemen, not just because the popularity of your social media, that visualization in your social media, ladies and gentlemen. So it is at the end of the day, you just will gain disadvantages of it, ladies and gentlemen. You will lose your money at the very first place, at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why we agree with this motion today. So very proud to propose.